So hey everyone, it's Gayatri and you are watching Gayatri's Craft. So you guys loved my real couple thumbprint plate. A lot of people want to buy that, but it was very expensive because it was totally acrylic item and acrylic itself very costly. So everyone can't afford it and a lot of people asking me for its DIY. So here it is. I have made this thumbprint plate at home. For this you need only two items, glass and golden sheet. So for glass, here I'm using a photo frame. Take out the glass from photo frame. Everyone have a photo frame at their home, so you can use any old photo frame, and you can also buy glass from market. For couple name and design, here I'm using Canva app on my phone. I downloaded this app from Play Store. Open this app, click on plus icon, click on custom size, fill A4 pixel size. Now click on text option. Type couple name, change font style. Make sure font style should be bold so we can cut it easily, and here I like this one font style, so its bold option is not available. So here we will do a hack. Just make its copies and set over it like I'm doing here. Ignore the inner lines and we will cut only outer lines. And now click on elements, search square and select this. Click on style and increase its border weight. Now search heart shape, select this. Now search plus icon, and I have also added wedding date in this. Now download this photo. We will open this photo in Canva app again to flip this photo. So open a new project and drag that photo here. Click on flip horizontal. Now download this and print it out. Now cut this. Here I am using golden cardstock sheet. It's easily available on the stationery, and if you don't have this, you can also find this type of sheets in sweet boxes and wedding invitation cards. You can also use that, and I have mentioned its Amazon link in description if you want to buy it from Amazon. Paste this like I'm doing here. Let it dry. For glass border, place glass over it and mark it. Draw inner lines leaving 0.5 centimeter. And for cutting, here I am using this cutter. It's the best cutter I have ever used. Trust me guys, and if you want to buy this cutter, the link I have mentioned in description box. And for cutting, first cut inner design, then cut outer layer, so it will be easy to cut. For pasting it, here I am using double-sided tacky tape. You can also use Fevicol glue. This tape link I have mentioned in description. For thumbprint, I am using plain white paper. Paste this golden design on this using glue and cut it. Paste all the designs using Fevicol glue. For decorating it, here I am using some dried flowers and pearls. Paste it using hot glue gun, and you can also use Fevicol. It will take some time and dry. This is how I created this thumbprint plate. And if you want to buy real acrylic thumbprint plate, then I'm selling it on Instagram. You can DM me there. Link I have mentioned in description box. Do check. And if you like this video, then hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And thanks for watching.